Hello children, good morning. I welcome you to the online studies of lesson number 3, that is My Sense Organs. So please take out your EVS textbook, pencil, eraser, open page number 16, lesson number 3. What can you see here? Here there are two images, image A and image B. In image A, the girl is listening to the music. So you have to write which body part she is using to listen the music. So she is using her ears. So here you have to write ears. In image B, the boy is reading a book. So which body part the boy is using? Yes, the boy is using his eyes. So here you have to write eyes. Now let's start the first topic, that is sense organs. What do you mean by sense organs? Sense organs help us know about the world around us. Again repeat after me. Sense organs help us know about the world around us. How many sense organs we are having? We are having 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. How many sense organs we are having? We are having 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Now let's see the image of the sense organs. See, this is an image of eyes. This is an image of ears. This is an image of tongue. This is an image of nose. And this is an image of skin. This is the skin. Now again there is one picture, and what you have to do here? Here you have to label the 5 sense organs. As you all know that we are having 5 sense organs, so that you have to label here. So this one is tongue, this one is nose, this one is ear, this one is eyes, and this one is skin. Can you see? Tongue, nose, ear, eyes, skin. Have you done it? Now let's see the functions of the sense organs. All sense organs perform different functions. So let's see the functions of the sense organs. Number 1 is eyes. I see with my eyes. So with the help of the eyes we can see the things. With the help of eyes we can read books, watch TV and see things around us. Now let's have a look on other sense organ. Number 2 is ears. I hear sounds with my ears. So ears are used to hear something. My ears help me hear soft as well as loud sounds. So with the help of ears we can come to know that the sound is soft or loud, and the soft and loud are the opposites. Now next one is nose. What is the function of nose? I smell with my nose. So nose is used to smell something. My nose helps me breathe air and smell things. So nose functions is to breathe the air and is to smell the things. Now can you see here one image of girl is there. She is holding rose in her hand. With the help of nose, she is smelling the rose. Now here also one image is there. Here the mother of this boy had prepared the cake, and with the help of the nose, he came to know that the cake is very yummy. Now next sense organ is tongue. What is the function of tongue? I taste food with my tongue. So the function of tongue is to taste the food. My tongue helps me taste bitter, sour, salty and sweet food. It also helps me to speak. So tongue is used to taste something. It is also used to speak. Now there are different tastes are given: bitter, sour, salty and sweet. So these are all different tastes. What do you mean by bitter? Bitter means kadwa. In Hindi we can say kadwa. Sour means khatta. This you don't have to write, just for information I am writing, okay. Salty means, what do you mean by salty? Salty means namkeen. Sweet means What do you mean by sweet? Sweet means meetha. Okay. Now let's have a look on page number 19. Last sense organ is skin. I feel things with my skin by touching them. So the function of the skin is to feel something. My skin helps me feel hard, soft, rough, hot and cold. Hot and cold are the opposites. Hard and soft are also the opposites. Hard, soft, hot, cold. Here can you see one image is there. In this image something is cooking on the gas, and by mistake that this boy had put his hand inside this beaker, and he came to know that the food is very hot. So with the help of skin he came to know that the food is very hot. Now let's have a look here. Here what you have to do, here you have to guess the sense organs in these riddles. So number 1 is, what I do, I feel raindrops and mummy kiss on my face. So who am I? I am skin. Which sense organ is used? Skin. Number 2, what is number 2? What I do, I taste apples and lollipops. So which sense organ is used? Yes, tongue is used. And number 3 is, I hear sound of chirping birds and buzzing bees. So who am I? Which sense organ am I? I am ears. So here you have to write ears. Now what I do, I watch sunny skies and moving trees. So which sense organ is used? I am eyes. Now I smell yummy pizza and lovely jasmine. So who am I? Which sense organ am I? I am nose. This all you have to write in your textbook only. Now in next video I will send you the exercise video. So with the help of that you complete your exercise. Goodbye.